Hey, welcome to Rich Kids Online.
We hope that you enjoy this video.
Forever friend. Everywhere I look, I see Jesus is amazing. Everywhere I go, I know Jesus is amazing. Everybody clap your hands. Jesus is amazing. Jesus is amazing. Amazing. The stars that shine, the sun so bright, the mountains high. He's amazing. The ocean wide, the big blue sky. Amazing. So come on, move your feet. Everybody dance with me. We don't have to be afraid. You can sing your fears away. Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. There is nothing he can't do. Cause his love will never end. He is my forever friend. Everywhere I look, I see Jesus is amazing. Everywhere I go, I know Jesus is amazing. Everybody clap your hands. Jesus is amazing. Jesus is amazing. Amazing. The stars that shine, the sun so bright, the mountains high. He's amazing. The ocean wide, the big blue sky, both day and night. He's amazing. You know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Be with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Oh, hi friends, I'm Peyton, and today I'm making some really cool sticky stuff. Can you guess what I am making? Slime! I love making slime. I have made pink slime. I have made sparkly slime. And today I am making mud slime. So I need to add 5 scoops of dirt. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Now I need to add this one last ingredient. Now I mix it all together until it turns into slime.
Hoo! Hoo!
It's Ollie!
Hello, Peyton. Hoo! Hoo! Making mud, are you?
Yes, Ollie. I'm making my very own mud slime.
Good things can come from dirt. That's true. and I've got just the dirt story for you. Listen to this. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Always got a Bible story for me and you.
Well, hello, friends. I'm Aisha. Welcome to my cupcake food truck. Do you want to see the special cupcakes I'm serving today? Ta-da! I call them mud pies. Chocolate cupcakes with chocolate sprinkles. And look, I even put gummy worms like they're in the mud. I made them because of the story I want to tell you today. If you're ready, on the count of 3, yell, "Tell me a story." 1, 2, 3. Tell me a story. Okay, so today's true story from the Bible is about someone super amazing. But before I show you who it is, we need to practice our "That's amazing" face. Show me what your face looks like when you see something truly incredibly amazing. Yes, that's it. Great. You'll need that for the story. So, Jesus and his friends, the disciples, were walking on a road near town. They met a man who could not see. He had been born blind, and Jesus was kind and wanted to help him. So Jesus spit in the dirt and made some mud. Then Jesus put it on the man's eyes. Next, Jesus told the man to go wash in a pool of water. And when he did, the man could see again. It was amazing. Show me your "That's amazing" face. The people around them that saw what Jesus did made their "That's amazing" face too. For the first time ever, the man could see. He could see food. Everyone say, "That's amazing." That's amazing. He could see neighbors. Everyone say, "That's amazing." That's amazing. He could see trees. That's amazing. When his neighbors saw the man and asked him what happened, he said Jesus made mud and spread it over my eyes and told me to go wash in a pool of water. And now I can see. The man could see for the very first time, and it was all because Jesus was kind to him and helped him in a way that only Jesus could. Jesus is amazing. Say it with me. Jesus is amazing. Did you like the story? If you did, give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who is amazing?
Jesus is amazing. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who is amazing?
Jesus is amazing. That's the truth, friends. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Jesus helped a man with dirt. He's amazing. Hoo, hoo.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, Jesus was so kind, he helped the man to see. Jesus is amazing. I think I get the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good. I'm going to remember this amazing story every time I play with my mud slime. See you next time. Bye!
Everyone who heard him was amazed. Luke 2:47. Everyone who heard him was amazed. Luke 2:47.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Now, parents, if you would like to kind of talk about this a little bit more with your kids, please head over to our website. There's more resources, devotionals, and a discussion guide.
And if it's your first time visiting, don't forget to click and subscribe so that you can get updates when new videos are added.
That's it. We hope you have a great week. Bye.